Alright, I've got a roast turkey in one hand, cooking oil in the other. That can only mean one thing. It's Bunty Day. We're going to get a start. Had a few showers, but not too bad. And it's a bit windy, so we'll come over later. We're going to do it. Let's do it.
I popped into Home Bargains this morning to get a few bits and pieces, and these were 99 pence each, so I've gotten, I know I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know which ones, but 3 of them I'd already bought, so I got 5 for 99 pence each, which was a bargain. So, and these say go in August to December, so they'll be going in the next few weeks. So, always like a bargain. Are you pouring it on the wood?
Just going to give it a little hand.
Shouldn't pour it on the paper.
Shouldn't do a lot of things, but some things just work. We're going to have to keep the fire a bit smaller than we'd like to. It's just that it's quite windy today, and we didn't really want to knock any of the neighbours off. You know, there's some bungalows just over there. There's a graveyard just over the bush there. People come visit and stuff, and I want them to be able to breathe, you know. So we'll just keep it sort of this height. Got our week to do it, I suppose. Are you having a good...
Everybody. I'm not drinking today because I'm health and safety monitor, keeping an eye on him. So we need someone level-headed to assess any dangers.
So you know what you look like?
What?
You look like that geezer at the swimming baths that would just sit there and
blow
watch.
A whistle. Back that in. I've got to have a whistle and blow it when you go to put a big piece of wood on.
Sure, that was
I'm monitoring this. So I'm the health and safety executive today, and I'm keeping an eye on who's having a couple. Will you not get drunk, like, will you?
Mine will.
Just a couple. So I'm not drinking anything.
Just in case I fall in the fire, you know. First aid responder.
Yeah, I'm first aid trained, and I'm a health and safety officer.
I haven't even made a dent in yet.
I'll deal with the horses if there's none something made of bed in there, like.
You reckon?
Aye.
Not too early for it.
No, because they sleep through the day all the time, all year round. So, like the horses are good stuff for the winter. I don't pull that one down. Just taking this out. Well, everybody, the moment we've been waiting for. Getting rid of that. When that's gone, this is done, and then we're going on holiday.
Yeah. Well, once that's done, put the plastic on. Oh no, do a manure run.
2 manure runs.
Plastic, both these beds. Still a little one at the top to do. We'll get that done, so that'll be plastic. And we'll shut the plot down, but we're talking here, what's the date of the day, Debbie?
I think it's
early October.
No, it's the 2nd of October.
It's the 2nd of October. So we've got another month to do that. We'll all be wrapped up by November.
End of November.
Yeah, and then we're going on holiday.
And we need one. We've worked our socks off. To make sure we're not in the same predicament next spring as what we were this spring. So we'll be ready to go.
For any of the new subscribers, if you just go back about 3 months when we first started and have a look at our early videos, you'll be able to see what this looked like, and it wasn't pretty.
We had to leave it for 6 months, family issues, and it was just left. Now I know what an allotment goes like if you just leave it and don't attend to it over the autumn and winter, which I didn't, and then come spring It was a mess.
It exploded into absolute chaos.
We looked like one of these people that we would go, their plot, they should get chucked off. Our plot ended up like that. So
it's very easy for it to happen.
And we're not going to get like that next year. So
Every year.
hence that's why we've got all that. The hedge was left, nothing was done. But we're getting it done now, and we're going to be very prepared for next year for growing things. And I won't have to buy potatoes, hopefully.
It's tea time.
Now see, putting the oven on.
Oh, hey, melting my face.
Davey, did you know tin foil burns?
Does it?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know
You
that.
didn't have tin foil in your house.
I never had tin foil. Used to just chuck the tea on.
You just sit them on the side.
You used to just chuck the tea on and eat it when it was black.
I should have put them on, Davey.
You should have. See, I come from the rough background, folks. There's no such thing as tin foil in our house.
Hello folks, just going to give you a little bit of info of who me and Davey are, a little bit about us. Because you might be watching this thinking, my good God.
Please notice.
Right, I'm Debbie.
I'm Davey.
And we've been together how long? I'm testing you here.
I don't know.
How many years?
38, yeah.
37.
37.
Been together 37 years. We only got married last year. Why did we get married?
That was only for financial reasons.
Financial reasons.
Because we're getting at an age now. I'm nearly 60. I had my birthday just last month. 59. Debbie's 55, 6.
6.
So we're getting on a bit. And just sort out the red tape that you come across. I mean, we've learned valuable lessons.
I knocked that off.
How can you knock it off? We've learned valuable lessons from our mum and dad of what life's like when you get to a certain age and you can't cope anymore. And Debbie's mother had dementia for 10 years and it wasn't good. Debbie didn't become a carer really.
Well, not a carer, but I kept her safe at home.
Yeah.
By echo shows in every room with a camera. They did want our I'll not go into detail, but they did want our lock in an EMI unit, and I said no. We'll see how we go. So we kept her at home, I think, about 6 years, wasn't it? For 6 years. And then when we couldn't keep her safe, she had to go into a care home, which was a hard decision. And then straight after that, my dad was diagnosed with Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, so we had him to look after. But
I'm still my plonker in that league, Debbie. I'm taking the bell off.
I take the bell off.
There you go.
And the story where we're at is, that's all, over with now. So we haven't got me mum and we haven't got me dad, which they have took up 10 years of our lives. It's what you do. You look after your family and they come first every time. But we haven't got them now, so...
We decided to make a YouTube channel. We wanted to try and get off the ground for...
7 years, wasn't it?
Yeah. And
Couldn't do it.
just couldn't do it, just couldn't we didn't have the time to dedicate.
I think time, didn't have the time, and we weren't mentally we couldn't do it because you full-time jobs, elderly parents, appointments, hospitals, A&Es and everything. And that went on for 10 years, so now we can. Come on.
We found ourselves at a bit of a loss when, because I used to look after Debbie's dad, and I looked after him for 5 years, and you know, giving him tablets, taking him to hospitals, appointments, all that, making sure he was, you know, he's shopping, all them things you do. And when he went,
It was the beginning of
It
June,
was.
we realised, didn't we?
it was, what do we do now? You know, it took up that much time in our lives, and we were so busy with it all, just looking after our mum and dad, that when they went, we were stuck. We didn't know what to do, you know. We were even booking extra shifts in at work, man.
I did. I took on extra work at work because I didn't know what to do in my spare time. Although I had the plot, I was thrown in the air and I didn't know what to do. So when my dad died in February, this plot was left, and for all them years it was like he used to say, we'll get our lives back, our time will come. So when my dad passed, I was expecting this, but it doesn't turn out like that. You have to adjust to it, because me and Davey are different to what we were 10 years ago. We've aged and our priorities have changed as well. So at the end of 10 years of looking after elderly parents, it doesn't go back to prior to 10 years ago. You have to adjust to be the person you are now. And I was just sitting on the settee, didn't even think of YouTube. I was in a bit of a loss of what to do on my days off, although I had the allotment and I knew this needed sorting out. I was still just sitting trying to work it all out, and I just said to him, to get the plot right, should we start the YouTube channel? Should we jump back on with that? And he was going to, and I said, well, we've got that old channel, didn't I?
The what?
You were going to set a channel up to start it, and I goes, well, what about that old channel that you started 7 years ago, which we forgot all about? So did you have to find out the email and everything?
I'm forgetting everything.
Anyway, he found our old channel, which was Davy in Wonderland, but you just changed the name, didn't you? So he found it. I says, just add on to that. We'll see how far it goes. And I'll be honest, I'm enjoying it. Cleaning me plot up. And I mean, I watch my own videos because I like seeing my plot change. So I'm like, ooh, it's gone from that to that, which I'm absolutely loving. So if anything, we're going to have a good memory. So when I'm old, probably sitting in a care home, I'll be able to say, put a YouTube on. I want to watch my allotment. So that's you know what might happen if we survive that long. I'm waffling now, aren't I?
What?
Am I waffling?
Oh, I don't know, I'm not listening to you. So it's just a little bit about us. I think, you know, after three months, we had some subscribers that logged on straight away, which was brilliant. We didn't even know who we are, and so we'll tell you.
So this is who we are.
We don't just do allotments, so we do variety of things. I mean, I've
Summer is all allotments, and we're still coming in the winter, but in between.
all sorts. But
This has been a priority though.
yeah, we're not one of them allotment channels, you know, not solely allotment. Just
We're going to take you all on holiday as well.
yeah, we do travel as well, you know, so we're hoping to get that up and running in November when we go to where we're going.
We don't do normal holidays, do we, Pat? We do little adventures where we don't even know where we're going ourselves. We just go.
Just tip up and see what happens. Time for our roast tatties.
Hey.
Nice.
Black like all those kids.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, hey, babe.
God, that took me right back to the 70s, that has.
Yeah. For kids, we've got to jump over the bunty after we've eaten these. Look at them. Right.
They'll be lovely then.
There we go. Do you want another one? Do you want two?
Aye. I've got the char grilled ones.
Get one of them ones that'll be better than that. I'll give you the two first. Can you put that down over there? Oh, hey man. This is what it's all about.
Lovely. Yeah, lovely. I didn't know whether I should eat the skin or not.
I'm eating my skin.
It never bothered us when I was young, but I'm not a young now, am I?
With a black face to go home.
Oh, black beard.
We'll be going to smell of smoke. Because we'll get wrong.
I stink of smoke. Used to get round for having a later. Yeah, box of matches.
I'm going back to being a kid.
You didn't get to put butter on you.
1976.
Yeah.
I was jumping over the fire.
Last time I had one of these with the fire, bloody Shangalang was in the charts.
Oh, hey, look at it. Leave that. Leave that. See, that's the one that you put too far on the hot coals.
Oh, that's perfect.
Look at that, folks. Look at that. Yeah.
We're off it.
Well, folks, we've played out all day. Come up here.
Right. We're just going to wait till the flames go down on this a little bit because time's kicking on a bit.
We can't leave it like that.
No,
Because
but
I'm the health and safety officer.
give it another half an hour or so and then we'll cover it with the grills. We've still got quite a bit of tree to do, like, but
I think we've put a dent in it, mate.
we'll put a massive dent in it. And we'll just, I mean, I think that'll still be going tomorrow when we come.
It will.
So we'll just get them trees on tomorrow, the rest of it. Just chuck them on, and that'll be it. Gone. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay guys, welcome back. Oh, let's see what we've got this morning. And what a beautiful morning we've got. Look at that, beautiful. Let's see. Well, the bonfire's still going. Still smoking around. Oof. Carnage. What a carnage. Time for round 2. Well, the last of the massive pile. This is it, and it's cleaned up nicely. It's good to have a fire. And there we are. It's took 11 hours, 2 days, and we're finally there. There's one piece of wood under there, and a little block that I can see. That's it, finally it. And we can get on with the next job. I tell you folks, it never stops at an allotment. Once you finish one job, there's always another one to do. So we're going to get away now, and we'll see you next time. What do you think of that then, Debbie?
Can't happy Josie.
That's took some doing.
I've got an extra third of a plot.
I know. It's amazing.
I can't believe all that's gone on there.
I know. Look at it. But there you go, folks. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.